guys, in celebration of Dr. Seuss, we are eating green eggs and waffles. Because we don't eat meat, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so how's that green eggs?
Good.
Pretty good? And we're going to read the famous Green Eggs
Mommy,
and Ham
is
by
it-
Dr. Seuss. Alright, let's read this book. Green Eggs and Ham by Dr. Seuss. Green Eggs and Ham by Dr. Seuss. I am Sam. I am Sam. Sam I am. That Sam I am, that Sam I am. I do not like that Sam I am. Do you like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam I am. I do not like green eggs and ham. Would you like them here or there? I would not like them here or there. I would not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Would you like them in a house? Would you like them with a mouse? I do not like them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Would you eat them in a box? Would you eat them with the fox? Not in a box and not with the fox. Not in a house and not with the mouse. I would not eat them here or there. I would not eat them anywhere. I would not eat green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. He's getting really angry. Would you, could you in a car? Eat them, here they are. I would not, could not in a car. This is dangerous. You may like them, you will see. You may like them in a tree. I would not, could not in a tree, not in a car, you let me be. I do not like them in a box. I do not like them with the fox. I do not like them in a house. I do not like them with the mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. A train, a train, a train. Could you, would you on a train? Not on a train, not in a tree, not in a car. Sam, let me be. I would not, could not in a box. I could not, would not with the fox. I will not eat them with the mouse. I will not eat them in a house. I will not eat them here or there. I will not eat them anywhere. I do not eat green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Say, in the dark, here in the dark. Would you, could you in the dark? I would not, could not in the dark. Would you, could you in the rain? I would not, could not in the rain. Not in the dark, not on a train, not in a car, not in a tree. I do not like them, Sam, you see. Not in a house, not in a box, not with the mouse, not with the fox. I will not eat them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. You do not like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam, I am. Could you, would you with the goat? I would not, could not with the goat. Would you, could you on a boat? I could not, would not on a boat. I will not with the goat. I will not eat them in the rain. I will not eat them on a train. Not in the dark, not in a tree, not in a car. You let me be. I do not like them in a box. I do not like them with a fox. I will not eat them in a house. I do not like them with the mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. He's loud and angry. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Now they're in the bottom of the ocean. You do not like them, say you say? Try them, and you may. Try them, you may, I say. Sam, if you'll let me be, I will try them. You will see. Okay, he's got the fork with the green eggs. He looks unsure. Woo! Say, I like green eggs and ham. I do, I like them, Sam, I am. I would eat them in a boat, and I would eat them with the goat. And I will eat them in the rain, and in the dark, and on a train, and in a car, and in a tree. Pears so good, you see. So I will eat them in a box, and I will eat them with the fox. And I will eat them in a house, and I will eat them with the mouse. And I will eat them here or there. Say, I will eat them anywhere. I do so like green eggs and ham. Thank you, Sam, I am. All right, the end. What do you think this book was about?
It was about green eggs and ham.
But do you think there was a message? Because the guy kept saying, Sam said, just try it. You might like it. And he's never tried it, but he kept saying, I don't like him. I don't like him. So in the end, when he finally says, okay, I'll try it, and he ends up liking it, do you think that means, like, try something before you judge it? And you just might like it. Like, you have to try things before you say, oh, I don't like it.
Yeah, it's just like me when I didn't like watermelons. So I just tried it, and then I really liked them.
Yeah, see, just like that. We've never had anything. What is something that you've tasted, Hayden, but you didn't know if you liked it?
I tasted broccoli at the cafeteria, and I don't know if I liked it, but it tastes a little bit nasty because they put a little bit of salt, and that's how it tastes because it tastes nasty.
So do you like it or you don't? Okay, so you finally tasted it and you didn't like it. Okay, that could be the opposite. If you finally taste something, is there something that you've tasted that you didn't like? What was it?
I liked it.
Oh, yeah?
Thanks, guys, for reading with us. Make sure to subscribe to our video and put a thumbs up.